Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The international version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has passed NBTC certification listing. According to the latest available data, Samsung's next flagship model, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, has just appeared in the NBTC Thailand database, under the model number SMS948BDS, confirming its international version and premium specifications. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The flagship device has earlier received the IMDA, 3C and FCC certifications, while its batteries were spotted on the BIS database too. Now, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone has received the NBTC certification from Thailand. Via this certification listing, its launch in the mentioned global market has also been confirmed. A new version of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has been spotted in Thailand's National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Commission (NBTC) database, a significant sign that the device is in the process of being prepared for global market launch. This NBTC certification reveals important information. According to information uncovered by leakster Mukul Sharma, the Galaxy S26 Ultra has received NBTC certification under the model codename SM-S948BDS. An analysis of the model code reveals some noteworthy details. The B symbol is typically used by Samsung for international versions, indicating that the device is not exclusive to any one region. The DS suffix confirms dual SIM support, a common feature in many markets worldwide. Many sources have speculated about the Galaxy S26 Ultra's configuration. The Ultra model is expected to be a significant improvement over its predecessor, particularly in terms of screen, performance, and camera system. About its revealed key specs: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 4 Galaxy, processor, 5000 mAh battery backup, 60 watts wired fast charging, wireless power transfer, WPT, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, NFC, UWB, and satellite connectivity have been revealed for the device. Additionally, a 200-megapixel main, 50-megapixel telephoto, 5x zoom, 10-megapixel telephoto, 3x zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide quad-rear camera setup, as well as a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, can also be expected on the device. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event sometime in February 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.